Rain fell hard on the old city streets. Ethan ran fast, his shoes full of holes and his backpack heavy on his back. His clothes were wet and dirty, but he did not stop. In his hand, he held a crumpled piece of paper. On it, he had drawn a big house, a shiny bicycle, and machines he wanted to make one day. People laughed at him. They said, "You are too poor. You will never do it." But Ethan smiled through the rain and whispered to himself, "I will do it. I will not give up." School was not easy for Ethan. The classroom was small, the desks were old, and the books were torn. Some children laughed when he tried to answer the teacher's questions. "You are too poor. You cannot do anything," they whispered. Ethan felt sad, but he did not stop. He listened carefully, read every book he could, and dreamed in his heart. He knew that one day he would show everyone that he could do great things. One afternoon, Ethan walked into an old junkyard near his home. There were broken bicycles, old machines, and pieces of metal everywhere. Most children would see trash, but Ethan saw possibility. He picked up a broken bicycle wheel and smiled. "One day, I will fix it. One day, I will build machines that can help people," he said quietly. From that moment, Ethan knew he had a real chance to make his dream come true. Every day after school, Ethan worked on small projects. He fixed toys, repaired broken parts, and practiced making simple machines. One day, a small model he built worked perfectly. The children who laughed before stopped and watched with surprise. "How did you do that?" they asked. Ethan smiled, but he did not brag. He knew that every small success was a step toward his big dream. Then one night, a big storm came. Rain and wind destroyed Ethan's little workshop. Machines and models he had built were ruined. Ethan sat in the mud, cold and wet, feeling hopeless. He looked at his notebook with dreams drawn on it. "Maybe they were right," he whispered. But then he stood up, wiped his tears, and said, "Dreams do not sink in storms. I will try again." The next morning, Ethan began to clean the mud. He worked slowly, fixing every machine he could. Neighbors watched him and whispered, "Why do you keep trying? You are too poor." Ethan smiled and said softly, "Dreams are stronger than storms." With that thought, he kept working, one small step at a time. Months later, the school announced a competition. Build something from scrap. Many children laughed at Ethan, thinking he would lose. But when the judges saw Ethan's small creation, they were amazed. It worked perfectly. It was simple, but clever. Ethan smiled quietly. His hard work was finally noticed. Ethan realized something important. Dreams grow faster when shared. He began helping younger children fix toys and learn simple machines. The children who once laughed now listened carefully. Ethan's small actions inspired others. Every time he helped, his own dream grew stronger. Courage and kindness made him stronger than fear. Years passed, and Ethan never stopped working. He saved money, learned new skills, and built bigger machines. One day he completed a real machine that worked perfectly. The children who laughed at him before now admired him. Ethan did not care about fame. He cared about the dream that started with a crumpled piece of paper on a rainy street. Ethan's story teaches us one thing. No matter how poor, small, or weak you are, your dreams can grow if you believe in them and never give up. Small steps, hard work, and courage are stronger than fear. Every small act moves you closer to your dream. One day your dream will come true, just like Ethan's.